Hi, and welcome. It's Tom with PoE Security again. Today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks to extend the life of your hard drive. For these examples, we're going to be talking specifically about standard hard drives, not SSD drives. The first thing we're going to want to talk about is heat. Heat is the #1 enemy of your hard drive, as well as most of the other components inside your devices. Heat can cause your disks to expand, which will throw them off balance and eventually lead for them to crash. And now all your data is gone. To prevent this from happening, we want to make sure whatever device you're using the hard drive in is well ventilated and kept free from dust. You don't want to stick your computer in that tiny little cabinet and close the door. Another tip to extend the life of your hard drive is to avoid physical shock. Your hard drive needs to be installed and basically left alone to sit. If you have a situation or a scenario where you need to have a hard drive that is going to be able to get bumped around, let's say in a car DVR or something like that, you're probably going to want to look at an SSD drive to avoid these issues. Thirdly, we want to make sure that we back up our data regularly. While modern hard drives are better than anything we've had in the past, and the technology is constantly improving, we still want to make sure we have those backups. Because the worst thing that can happen is when you go to get some data, some information that you need, whether it's security footage or computer files, and your hard drive's crashed out on you and you haven't done a backup in a really long time. There might not be any way to retrieve that data. Next, we really want to make sure that we avoid power surges. Now, I know it might just be easy to plug your video recorder, your NVR, your computer directly into the wall. However, spending that extra couple of dollars to get a good surge protector can help prevent your drive from getting shorted out. There's a lot of them on the market, some specifically designed for your computer or your video recorder. Take a look at what's out there and get something that's going to work for you. Lastly, we need to make sure that we're keeping our hard drives free from any viruses or other malicious software out on the internet. Any device that you have plugged into the network, we want to make sure that we have something to help protect it. There's a lot of things out there that you could download or you can get that can completely wipe out your hard drive that even a free virus protection software would have helped prevent. In conclusion, those are our tips for extending the life of your hard drives. Hopefully, you'll never have an issue where your data gets lost. But by following these steps, we can help ensure that whatever information you have stored, we can access into the long term. Thanks again for watching. This has been Tom with PoE Security. We'll see you next time.